Hi, this is my review for the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Tiny Arcade. It's very cool. It's like a mini arcade of the original Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles arcade game. Also a keychain, so if you want to hook it up to a key or something, hang it on a hook or something like that. It has the original side, April O'Neil and the Turtles, New York in the background, which is very, very cool, very old school. And yeah, it's literally like the mini version. So what's cool about it is that it turns on. So you can actually play the game, the best you can with your fingers. Let me see if I can get to where you play. So yeah, that's basically how it looks. Oh, there you go. See? So you can actually move around. I mean, good luck trying to play the game. I mean, I think it's just for fun that you can even play it, but yeah, I don't think you'll be beating the game. I don't know how far you can get. I haven't really played much, but just the fact that you could play it and it's not just there for decoration is pretty cool. I don't know how long the battery lasts. I've had it for months. I haven't like played it repeatedly. My son will sometimes grab it and play around with it, but battery is still working. Like I said, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it's still pretty cool. So hope you check it out, especially if you're a Turtles fan, retro gamer fan. This is definitely something cool to check out.